Hello everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today we got a B2B PS4 HDMI port replacement. Let's dig in. Alright, so I went ahead and layered the pins. We also prepped these posts. So essentially without even using a rework station, without using a rework station, we'll be able to get this in. There we go. Right there. Let's pull it off there. There we go. I did everything I can to try to use the client's port. I just couldn't do it. I had to take it off. The teeth weren't lining up. I got the port back on. We're good. Let's go ahead and get it assembled and tested. Oh man. Well, we got bad news and it's nothing to do with the work that we did. Our work is all good. It's solid. However, the client did not test for B-LUD. So this unit has blue light of death. No matter how good of a job we did, it was not going to work. So that freaking sucks. But that's how it goes. Anyhow, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, as well as hit that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.